Good afternoon, students. So now we'll see the construction of epicycloid according to its concept, right? So the method we have seen, the construction method we have seen, right? So in that the extra time wasting steps have been removed and made it simple for the construction, right? But we'll see according to the concept how we'll get the figure, right? So that is what this class is all about. So please concentrate. You need not to draw. If you want, you can draw. That is up to you, right? So I'm taking the same diameter, 40 mm diameter or 20 mm radius. With that, I am drawing the circle. Okay. So after that, what we are supposed to do? From center, draw a vertical as well as the horizontal line. Next, from this point, right, 12.6 or 12.5 mm, we need to take. Okay. See, same steps. That's why I'm going a little bit faster. P, A. Let me check whether it is 12.5. Yeah. Now, we have to divide this into 8 or 12 equal parts. So I'm making it 8. Hmm. Okay. Now we need to give names 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. And also I have to divide this also into 8 equal parts. So for that I am using line dividing method. A double dash, 7 double dash, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So now we need to join the last part. Slide the knob. Draw. So now we type your knob. Next, from 7 dash you draw the knob. Same parallel line from 6 dash also. 5 dash, 4 dash, This is 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash, 5 dash, dash, 7 dash, and this is X. Okay. So after that, from each and every division, we need to, sorry, from the center, this is C, we need to draw a line. We need to draw it. So here we will get B. And now we need to extend all the divisions on the line to the center line. We get different centers for the different point of contact of the circle as well as the line. This is all you know. That's why I'm making faster. C2, C3, C4, C5, C6, C7. Now, so now listen carefully. Now assume that the circle is rolling towards right side. That is this direction. Okay, now if it is rolling into rightward direction, then assume that it is rolling sorry, up to division 1. So whenever it is moving up to division 1, this 1 will be meeting at 1 dash. Okay, now. So earlier this is the point of contact between the circle and the line. So now the point of contact between the circle and line will be this. So at that point center will be C1. So I will draw the circle here. You see. Sorry. So second. Second circle. Okay, na? So now for the second circle, C1 is the center and this 1 dash is the point of contact between circle and the line. Now this one is coming downwards this side and this P will go upward, isn't it? So this goes downward and this goes upward. So till where it will go? One division down means one division up it will go, isn't it? So to draw line till that one division. So here we will get P1. Are you understanding? Listen carefully. Here it will move up to 1. So now 1 dash is the point of contact. C1 is the center. So 1 is going here. It is going one division down means here it will go one division up. So that will be on that one line only. So now this is the point. It is moved from P to P1. Next, let us go to the center C2. Draw the circle. There is a problem with this compass. I think I have to change it. Okay. So now you see, now it has moved up to 2. Center is C2 and point of contact is 2 dash. So now it will move up to what? 2 divisions down means here it will go 2 divisions up. So wherever the circle is cutting on that second line, that will be P2. Similarly, C3. Now it has moved up to center C3. Point of contact is 3 dash. Now 3 divisions down means P will go 3 divisions up. So you extend the line from here. So wherever it cuts here, this will be P3. Similarly, C4. Now C4, you see the fourth one. Where it will join? It will join somewhere here. This will be C4. Okay. Next, C5. Okay. In C5, you see again. Sorry. In C5, you see again it is on the same line 3 and 5. So 5 divisions down means again 5 divisions up. So wherever it cuts, this will be C5. Not this side. It is moving towards this side. So you won't get, it is cutting on 2 points, not this. This point we need to take because it is rolling towards right side. In the similar way, C6. Hmm. C6, P6 will be this. Next, C7. Hmm. C7 where 1 and 7 on the same line. So wherever it is cutting, this will be C7. Next, this is C8. Draw the circle. So eighth division is cutting where? Here. This is P8. Now we got all the, see, circle first, now it is at P. When it has moved up to 1 dash, P has moved to P1. When it has moved up to 2 dash, P has moved up to P2. Like that, it has covered this all distance. Now let us join all the points with free hand. All the points using free hand. Now once you are done drawing lightly, you can start it. That's it. This is the concept. You see how the circle is rolling from here to here, and how we got these points. Instead of drawing the circle, what we have done, see here you see P1 as center, cutting the arc on the first line, we get directly P1. P2 as center, cut the arc on the second line. Directly we get P2. No need to draw this entire circle. Is it clear the concept of the cycloid now? Students, please do respond. Yes?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What about 401 Akhil? Are you listening the class?
Sir.
Did you understood this?
Yes, sir.
410 Sai Kiran. 410 Sai Kiran.
Yes, sir.
No. Did you understood this?
Yes, sir.
Right. Next. 416 Sai Prakash. 416 Sai Prakash. Is not with us. Will be given absent. 420 Shreyas.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Right. So that is the concept. Next, let us draw the same cycloid whenever the point of contact is opposite to the directing line. Now the change will be, the point is here, it has moved like this, right? Now in the next problem, the point will be here. How it moves, that we need to see. Okay, na? Now let me take fresh paper. Now everyone will draw with me once again, right? So starting steps we all know. So I will do it very fastly. You also do by yourself, right? So 20 mm radius, draw a circle. Okay. Now draw the vertical as well as the horizontal line. Okay. Next, draw one 25 mm. This is P. This is A. So next we need to divide the circle into 8 equal parts, 8 or 12, right? So please do it. Run it. Okay. So here this is not P, isn't it? P is now here. Now a point on the circumference of the circle is here. It will roll like this. So this point will be 1, this is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Okay. Now you divide this line also into 8 equal parts. So you know how to do it. So slowly I will be doing. Meanwhile, you complete whatever that is you are supposed to do. Right. 8 parts. Okay. Next join. Right. Next move to the next. This is 1 double dash, 2 double dash, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is 1 dash. This one is 2 dash, 3 dash. Next 4 dash, 5 dash, dash, 7 dash, 8. This is C, and but the procedure is same. Extend the line. This is B. Next, extend all the points. Simple, same step. Nothing change. So now this is C1, C2, C3, C4, C5, C6, C7. B is C8. After that, again same. Draw the line. 3 and 5 will be on the same line. 6 and 2 already on the same straight line. Next, 7 and 1. Next, P. Okay. So I'll wait here, complete till this point and let me know. We'll cut the arc. Any doubts, please ask. Yes, Sai Prakash.
Sir,
Yes, yes. Yes, Sai Prakash. Say, what is your doubt?
nothing said out.
Okay,
Sir.
complete till here.
No doubt, sir.
Okay, okay. Okay, you all complete till here and let me know. Then I will move forward. So one student texted that he is done, he or she is done. Rest of the students, you also complete soon. I will wait, no problem. Take your own time. Please let me know once you are done. So I received many messages that they are done. So now take circle radius with compass. C1 as center. You see how I am cutting the arc. See, first division. Okay, now the first division we need to cut the arc. You can cut either this side or the other side also, like this. You can cut this side or you can cut this side. Okay, now but cutting the right side is correct because the circle is moving towards right side. So that's why first point is this on the first. So this is the first point. Next C2 as center. Second one. This is C2. But C3 as center. Cut the arc. This is C3. Next C4. Okay. This is the point. Next C5. Fifth line. Cut this side, not this side, because the point nearer to the point. Okay. So this is C5. Next C6. Cut next division. Next C7. Next division. Last C8. You see. Okay. Now once again I will cut the arc CC. C1. Cut this side. Next C2. Cut here. Next C3. Here. Next C4. Directly on the fourth line. Will be meeting this point. Next C5. Cut here. Nearer to the point. Next